Posture is what gives you respect, simple. Like a fucking man.
Like this.
So, don't be gay, be straight. Position like this. Why would you do that? Take this bar, the weight's on. We're doing 300 burpees. You wanna play tough. You're making me do fucking burpees with you and you're gonna lie. I swear on my life I slap you. Don't cheat. Be proud of this when you finish. It's 300 burpees. In your shape, it's something to be mad proud about. You can't buy this shit, you can only fucking deserve it. Your body language says more about you than the words do. You only get one chance to do the first impression, so do it right. In this video, guys, I will show you how important the posture is, and I will show you that the amount of muscle mass can bring you some respect, but the way you carry yourself will bring you all the respect. Follow me to learn how to get respected in every room you step your foot into. A bodybuilder full of muscle, but he's still walking like
no,
this.
of course.
Nobody cares.
These days, posture is like that.
Posture is what gives you respect, simple. You don't need posture correctional exercises to improve your posture. You can do that every single time you do anything in the gym, and I will show you exactly how. And in the middle of the video, I will give you an exercise that is the one exercise that will fix your posture once and for all. That's the only exercise in the world that is focusing to fix your posture first and foremost. So check the whole video out, guys. I'm going to give you all the value I know about how to stand like a man, how to present yourself like a man, and how to start feeling like a man by having a body posture like a man. So how do you fix your posture? It's very simple. You have to train in the correct posture. If you train and push your muscles and grow your muscles during keeping a wrong posture, they are going to be trained in the wrong posture, so they are going to get stronger in that posture. You have to stand straight. Don't be gay, be straight. So if you want to fix your posture, you have to be training in that posture. That means every single hour you're putting into the gym is, without you trying, actually improving your posture. So let's say a triceps push down. Simple. You have to first get in the power position. Now, what is the power position of the body? So first, your feet planted into the ground, standing in a power position. You don't want to be standing like this. Why would you? Plant your feet down. Number two, tense them a little bit. You're going to fight against a heavy weight, so tense your body in general a little bit. Legs tight, glutes tight. Now, your lower back extended. Your thoracic spine extended. Your abs are not supposed to be crunched together like this. They are supposed to be tensed. That means you're bracing your core. I will be explaining all of that later. But you're supposed to be bracing your core, not crunching your abs together, because that puts you in a shitty ass position, right? So, standing straight in your torso and get your shoulders back, your head slightly forward, and now you're ready to lift. And now, whichever movement you're doing, notice that my shoulder position, my torso, my lower back doesn't change position. Everything is the same. The only thing that is moving is the thing that I'm training, the triceps. My elbows are extending and bending. So you don't go and stand and train in a position like this. Like, why would you do that? Biceps curl, for example. Standing straight, feet planted, body extended, shoulders back, head forward, tension. And now you're ready to curl. Nothing changes. The only thing that is changing position is the elbows moving up and down, or is your hands moving up and down, but the elbows is the only thing actually doing any kind of work. There is no loss of position anywhere in my body. Now let's say that I want to be cheating because it's too heavy. I cheat from the power position. Shoulders are back, lower back is tensed, core is tense. My shoulders, they are never falling forward. The power position is always maintained in every single exercise that you're doing in the gym. Yo guys, just as my man here is about to do some squats, and he heard us filming and recording about the power position. He's like, what's the power position? He was joking, he knows what power position is. But he did an amazing demonstration. So, what is a power position? Simple. Like in the military.
Yeah, I've got a cheat. I was in the military.
Bam.
So, I know
very
it.
simple. Now, what does the military do to you? It makes you a man?
Yeah.
What is the first thing they teach you how to do?
Discipline.
For sure. But physically?
Squat.
Not stand?
Oh, stand, yeah. You're right, yeah.
Stand.
Yeah, stand
like
still.
a fucking man.
Like this.
So now, you came to the man factory. We're gonna make you man.
Yeah.
So, number one, because most of our lives we stand.
Yeah.
So stand like a fucking man. It ain't that complicated. Oh man, love that. Thank you for helping us out. So now guys, what is a power position? Well, that's the position God created you to be in. There is a position or a curve on the spine that is a natural curve. And that is what you should be having. And that position looks like that. So now, if you take a look at a 3-year-old kid, when that kid is standing up, I can guarantee you that he's standing like this. The belly might be bigger, but this is how a kid is standing, straight, because the spine is holding him up. Now, why do we need to learn how to stand or learn how to walk or learn how to squat when we already knew it when we were kids? Very simple. We humans are not meant to be living in 90 degrees. So a 90 degrees chair should not even exist. So as soon as we start walking to school and sitting in 90 degrees for most of our days, our life gets messed up. So take a look at a kid again, and the kid will sit like this in a perfect squat and play in the sandbox, and he can do that for hours, not have pain in any knees. And also take a look at poor people, farmers. They can do this. This is the resting position. They sit and chill like this for 5 hours. You see, our body is meant to be mobile and movable. What happens with age? Young man, standing straight, proud. Life hits you, come down a little bit. Life hits you more, come down a little bit. Age hits you, come down more. Very old age hits you, even more. Stone age hits you, like this. So if you're not 90 years old, why would you be standing like a 90-year-old? Straighten up, man up, and I guarantee you, you will become younger and you will reverse your age if you just fix this. This is coming from soft life. When you're living in front of a computer, when you're living on phones, when you are just living not the way a human was meant to be. So fix your posture, guys, and do it with me. I'm going to give you every single step. So now, guys, one thing that will definitely mess up your posture is bodybuilding. Sitting in machines and pressing like that. What you want to be doing is getting into that athletic training where you go full range of motion. So you see, when I'm in my power position, I'm doing a military press. If I keep my hands here or if I keep my hands here, my posture doesn't change. Now, in a military press, it's an amazing exercise to train your posture. Although I will be showing you every single exercise can be a posture correction exercise, but this is a very good one. Take this bar, the weight's over. Your torso needs to be extended. You don't want to be standing, holding the bar like this. Your torso, so your abs needs to be extended, stretched out. Pressing up, and now you continue with your head forward and extending your hands to the top and your lats. The lats are very important because when your lats starts falling down, you're losing the connection. So, up, all the way up, all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. The torso stays the same. It never keeps crunching together. And now, for you guys that have done a military press before, you will notice that when you do it in this way, you almost start feeling your back working more than your shoulders. And that's exactly how it should be. Because that, on the back that you're feeling, is your traps. And your traps are supposed to be working together with your shoulders and your lats. Because your lats is also a pressing muscle. It's not only a pulling muscle, it's also a pressing muscle. So you see, guys, even if you're doing a pulling movement, the power position is the same. This is your power position. The only thing that changes is you're taking your hands up and you're pulling them down. But the power position actually never changes. So if you focus on keeping your power position in every single exercise, every single time you're in the gym, once, and your posture is automatically like this. You cannot help yourself because the muscle has been trained for a couple of times a week to stand like this. Even in a laying down exercise, you still want to be keeping your power position. So you see, shoulders back, thoracic spine extended, chest out. Bam. My power position haven't changed. It's not there. Lower back up in the air, shoulder blades tight together, everything backwards. And now you start doing your bench or dumbbell or even a machine. Power position never changed. Stand.
What happened?
We're doing 300 burpees. We want to play tough. It is a reality check.
Reality check.
We're now living here and we met guys through school and then we became friends. And then
Count this.
almost as though when you
You're making me do fucking burpees with you and you're gonna lie. I swear on my life I slept. Did you do 10 with me or 20? 10. How many did you do now? 10. And how many did you do? Where is the rest 10? Now, every rep scream, every 10, number. Now the biggest challenge you ever thought you're gonna do. Do it like a man so you can be proud of this when you finish. Don't cheat. Be proud of this when you finish. It's 300 burpees. In your shape, it's something to be mad proud about. That's how you build man. You might see me suffer.
You might see me suffer.
You might see me hurt.
You might see me hurt.
You might see me cry.
You might see me cry.
You might see me scream.
You might see me scream.
But you will never fucking see me quit.
And you will never see me quit. Motherfucker.
Soldier. Don't go in the sun, it's too cold. No. Get your ass up. Come, it's too cold. Come on. Yo, come here. Come here. Yo, come here. Hands up, come on. Look at the sun, close your eyes. And thank God for this challenge. Thanks God for this challenge. Give me more. Pure pleasure. You can only know pleasure through pain. You only know what is day because you've seen the night. You can only know happiness if you've seen sadness. So don't shy away from that shit because that is what's standing between what you have and what you want to have. Guys, this shit is nothing if you don't have brain and heart. The body is just a tool, but this is the driver and this is the engine. Underdog mentality, always at the bottom, always on the way to the top, no matter where your bottom is.
You can't buy it.
You can't buy this shit, you can only fucking deserve it. Everything worth doing is worth overdoing. Moderation is for cowards. Now guys, as I promised, I will show you the one exercise you need to learn and to perfect to learn how to always stand in your power position in everything you're doing. And the exercise to learn the power position is the squat. How do you position your shoulders when you do a squat? And now I am talking about doing the squat the right way. Hands, thumb wide, coming in, putting the bar on your shoulders. You see what is happening in the shoulder blades? Power position, squat position, power position, squat position. So, by training the squat, you are getting the shoulders automatically in the right position just to be able to maintain the bar on your shoulders. Number two, when you are doing a squat, you cannot do that with a crunch together midsection. Your midsection has to be extended and filled with air to be able to do a squat properly. This is exactly the position you should be having when you are getting into a power position. Whether you're biceps curling, military pressing, bench pressing, this is exactly the position. And now, doing a squat will train this maximally because your body will automatically want to protect itself from getting crushed by the weight that is laying on your shoulders with the bar. That means it will strengthen and put the midsection in the correct position. So when you are doing a full range of motion squat, take a look at what's happening in my midsection and my shoulders when I am in the bottom of the squat. Did you guys see what happened? Absolutely nothing. My body was staying upright. And if your body learns to stay upright in the most complicated position with a heavy weight on your shoulders in a squatted down position, you will be able to maintain your power position in every single thing that you will be doing in the gym and in life when you are doing nothing. So never skip the squat, learn how to perfect the squat and learn this. This will have an effect on every single thing you do in the gym. So you see guys, if you haven't fixed all the imbalances in your body and if you have tightnesses and weaknesses in your body, you might be having a problem fixing your power position. So check my next video out, it will be mobility, stretching and stability. So subscribe guys, share this channel to everybody you know if you think that this is helping you, and follow for more because there is more coming. I'm going to show you how to repair yourself.